Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a short AI video with Grok AI. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. As you can see on my screen is a short AI video I created using the Grok AI, ChatGPT and CapCut, right? So recently this has been a very good trending video on TikTok where people use the AI app to create AI reels videos. Some are cooking videos, some are dancing videos, and storylines as well. So as you can see, I created one for myself and I'm going to share tips on how I do that. I'm going to try as much as possible to make this video very short. So the first step is you need to go to your Play Store and install the Grok app, this app where I used to generate the videos clip by clip and joined it on my CapCut. So where the ChatGPT comes in is where you get to create a storyline and a JSON prompt for the AI to understand. So JSON prompt is actually a language that AI understand that helps to make the AI understand better than just copying and pasting a very long story for it to comprehend, you understand, and end up doing what you don't want it to do. So first thing you have to do, open up your CapCut, no, your CapCut, sorry, your ChatGPT, and just give it something and say, I want Grok AI to create a short Nigeria film, so I need you to give me a short story. So this is actually a short story AI gave to me. So what I did after going through it and saw I was satisfied with the story, I told ChatGPT to put it in JSON prompts. Why the JSON prompt? It's actually the language AI understands. I've said this before. So it gave me the code, and what I did is I copied it bit by bit. You're not just going to copy everything and put it right there, so that it's going to be understandable, and you're just going to end up linking all the videos together using your CapCut, as I said before. So I just copied one and I'm going to paste it, and make sure this is actually on video, not image, right? So I'm going to paste this right here, and it's going to start generating video, though this one is going to take a lot of time, right? So while it's actually processing, let me show you the clips I've made already. Let's make the video very fast. So that's just how to make one clip for your storyline, right? So this is like the first clip I made for it, and listen to the voice so you can see it's sounding very good and real.
Only 500 naira left. What are my dear? I only have 500 naira.
And this is the second clip for it.
My child, God bless you. You're welcome, ma. I must go.
Why are you working? Let me give you a scholarship for honesty.
So this is the last part of it. So I'm going to show you the next step. So the next step, after having all the clips you want, you go to your CapCut like this, and what you need to do, click on new project, and you're going to pick all the clips you have made bit by bit, just one after the other, accordingly to how it's supposed to be, and you click on add, and this is it. So you don't need to actually do much right here because it's already speaking while acting up, and what you need to do is just make sure it's where you want it to be. Then the next thing you have to know is, once you're trying to exploit it, you need to make sure it's actually on the right ratio. If you're going to post it on your TikTok or your YouTube, your Instagram, you should know that the ratios are not the same. If you use for the TikTok, it's going to be 9:16. For YouTube is 16:9. So you can see. So I'm going to be posting this on my TikTok, so I'll pick my TikTok and click on good, click on export, and it's going to get exported. So let's wait for it, and it has exported successfully. So you can see share to TikTok. Once you click on that, it's going to share to your TikTok, and you just have to add your caption and hashtags and the rest of that. So that was actually how I generated a clip for it. So this is the clip we were making before I went to edit that. So if this guide was helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my full tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.